Inirekomenda ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure sa Office of the Ombudsman ang paghahain po ng mga kasong kriminal at administratibo laban naman sa ilang kasalukuyan at dating opisyal ng gobyerno kaugnay po ng maanomalyang flood control projects. Inirekomenda nila ang paghahain na reklamong pandarambong, graft, direct at indirect bribery at corruption of public officials laban kina Senador Joel Villanueva at Senador Jinggoy Estrada. Pinakakasuhan din ang nagbitiw na kongresista na si Saldico, dating Caloocan 2nd District Representative Mitzi Cahayon Uy, dating DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo at Commission on Audit COA Commissioner Mario Lipana. Batay sa aligasyon ng ICI, nakipagsabwatan sila sa grupo ni dating DPWH Bulacan 1st District Engineer Henry Alcantara para magbulsaho ng kabanambayan kasabwat ang mga kontraktor.
No one will be spared in this fight against corruption. Politicians and government officials will be investigated and charged by credible evidence. Those found responsible will face the consequences and held accountable under the rule of law.
Tinig po ni retired Justice Andres Reyes Jr., Chairman ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure. Sa isang pahayag, sinabi ho ni Estrada na wala siyang tinanggap na anumang pondo para naman sa flood control projects at kaya po niyang patunayan po ito sa hukuman. Sinabi naman ni Villanueva na pag-aaralan ng kanyang mga abogado ang basihan kung bakit siya pinakakasuhan ng ICI at kanila itong sasagutin. Iningan pa ng GMA Integrated News ng reaksyon si Nako, Bernardo Cahayon Uy at Lipana. Samantala, sinabi naman ni Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla na isasalang sa preliminary investigation ng rekomendasyon ng ICI at hindi na ito kailangan dumaan sa fact-finding dahil masusi na itong naimbestigahan.
Many of them are ripe for the picking or ripe for action already, at least for PI. Most of the fact-finding has been done already by the ICI, or sometimes the fact-finding was done by the DOJ, and which makes the facts already vetted or validated already by the respective offices. Mas mabilis. And we expect to be filing cases soon.
Tinig po ni Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla.